What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's menu, we're whipping up this Smashburger on the Blackstone, and to level things up, we're gonna make a homemade bacon jam to go on top. Start things off by slicing up some bacon, and for this recipe I'll be using a whole pack. Go ahead and toss it in a skillet, and then while it cooks, you can go ahead and begin dicing up an onion. This recipe makes a good amount of bacon jam, so we'll be using a whole onion on this. Once that bacon's all done, go ahead and remove it from the skillet and then drain all but about 2 tablespoons of the grease. Next, you want to toss those onions in, and that bacon grease is going to be the key to getting all the good flavor. So season them up with some salt and pepper, add in about a half cup of brown sugar, a little cayenne pepper, some apple cider vinegar, then toss back in that cooked bacon. Once you get it all stirred in, add in a little balsamic vinegar and about a half cup of water. Next, finish it off with some fresh thyme. This is going to add a ton of flavor. And then once you get it to a texture of your liking, go ahead and store it in a mason jar because it'll definitely make enough to save. Next, divide up some ground beef into about 1/4 pound portions, then roll them up. I'm going to get the bun toasted first, and I'll be using brioche for this one. Then once they're done, go ahead and set them aside. Season up your burgers with your favorite seasoning. Toss them on the grill and then smash away. And guys, if you're enjoying this video, please take this time to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. I have some exciting recipes coming up that you don't want to miss. Once you get them smashed down, go ahead and season up each patty. And then once you see some color change on top, go ahead and flip. Be sure to carefully scrape them up so you can keep that beautiful crust. And they are looking just right. So next, go ahead and add on a couple slices of cheese. I'm using white American, but feel free to use whatever cheese you want. Go ahead and stack those patties and then get your assembly going. The toppings are totally up to you, but I'm going to keep it simple with some mayo, some pickles, 4 of them exactly. Throw on those patties and then finish it with that bacon jam. And then finally, go ahead and add on that top bun. And then all that's left is to dig in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Oh my God. This is delicious. Y'all check this out.